Hello, hey everyone. My name is Shekhar. I'm studying third BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to show you a really cool project I built called Music Album Explorer. It's a simple full stack web app where users can sign up, log in, and explore music albums by their favorite artists using Last FM API. And don't worry, it's a cool, super complicated. It's not super complicated. I have built used basic technologies like HTML, CSS, Node.js with Express framework, JWT for authentication, and Firebase to store users' data securely. Let me show you how I build this step by step. And I first created a folder in the VS Code called Music Browse, and I installed packages np npm init for Node.js. So the main features of this app are user sign up and login with password hashing and JWT token authentication, so the dashboard is protected. After login, users can search for an artist and it shows the top albums using the last FM API. All frontend is built with plain HTML and CSS for simplicity, and backend is handled using Node.js with Express framework, and Firebase is used to store user credentials. This is the complete setup and features that our app will consist. And the tech stacks I used are Node.js with Express Framework, bcrypt.js for password hashing, JWT Web Token for JWT authentication, and Axios for API calls to Deezer, and Cors for cross-origin requests, and Firebase, Firestore for user data storage, and HTML5, JavaScript, and responsive grid layout, and CSS animations. First, we'll need to install dependencies by using the command npm install and create a .env file and store your JWT to secret keys in the .env file, and obtain your Firebase config.js file from the Firestore by creating an account and creating a project. After setting up all these, and we'll go to start building. How to create project in Firebase to store user details in the Firebase real-time database. I created a project on the Firebase console and added my web app. Then I copied the credentials from which is got from Firebase and stored in the Firebase.js. Not exactly in that, but I stored in server.js. Here are the credentials that I got from Firebase. These are the sign up and login pages. Uh, I created an authentication for sign up and sign in page. On sign up, the hashed password used using bcrypt.js. Then I generated a JWT token to send it to the front end. On login, I verified the email and password, then sent back to the token back. This is how I protected the dashboard. You can't access it unless you are logged in and your JWT is valid. Now here comes to the fun part of fetching music data. Then I signed up for lastfm.api, created an API account and fetched the music data from that API and displayed on our dashboard. I made index.html and signup.html, login.html, and dashboard.html for actual album explorer. On the dashboard, I added a simple form to enter an artist name. When I submitted it, makes a get request to the backend, which then talks to the last FM API. The JWT protected dashboard. When the user logs in, I store the JWT token in the local storage. Then on the dashboard page, check for this token. If it's not there, it redirects to login, and if it's there, it allows us to show album. Let me walk you to the website. This is a sign up login page of our website. First, if we already have an account, we can directly sign in. It will redirect us to dashboard, which look like this. This is our dashboard. We can add our playlist to favorite, and we can make the info. We can know the music, and we can search and get the favorite albums. This is our when we want to log out, we can simply click on the logout button and it redirects us to login page. If we don't have an account, we will simply create a new user account and then we will log in. Okay, thank you.